Sex. Education. What if we mated like the animal kingdom? Number 1. The octopus. Unfortunately, the octopus's penis breaks off. Damn.
Bitch.
Number 2. The New Mexico whiptail lizard.
Looks like clean
They're
up
all
on
female,
aisle 4.
and they're all gloriously lesbian. Number 3. The red-sided garter snake.
Come get some.
The female garter snake has sex with up to, get
like
this,
target practice.
100
The more you
males
shoot,
at once.
the better you get.
Number 4. The honeybee.
Go.
Drastically, the honeybee's member explodes afterwards. Number 5. The giraffe.
You wanna dance?
The female giraffe grossly
break a
pees
broom handle
in the
off
male
your
giraffe's
ass.
mouth. Number 6. The stick insect.
Come get some. It ain't over yet.
Stick insects are the true tantric masters of sex.
Damn, I'm good.
Number 7. The seed
Holy
beetle.
shit.
The male
Look at
seed
that.
beetle
You can
has a
see right
horrific
from here.
spiky member. Number 8. The antechinus.
I'm gonna get medieval on your ass.
The antechinus can have sex non-stop for weeks and in 14-hour-long sessions.
Fucking good.
Number 9. The
Looks like it's time
chimpanzee.
for me to go postal.
The male chimpanzee
I'll rip your head
unfortunately
off and shit
bullies
down
and
your
terrorizes the females into mating. And finally, number 10,
Bitch.
the orb weaver spider. The male orb weaver spider's member oddly detaches, staying in the female. This concludes your sex education, for if we mated like the animal kingdom.
I'm gonna put the smack dab on your ass.